everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys are seeing me in a different area than I'm usually filming. I usually film all my videos in my basement, but I am sitting at my desk. But I'm here to share with you guys. I'm actually going to change it up a little bit. As you guys know, I'm kind of starting to get burnt out on doing my basement, which is fine. I think I'm just going to take a week off. Just take a week off, not look at the basement, but just kind of keep it cleaner. I still want to keep stuff, or still make piles to donate and still make some boxes to sell. But if I do work on the basement this week, I will give you guys an updated video with this video. So right now I'm going to share with you guys stuff that I want to continue doing throughout my house. I know I'm pregnant, but right now I have motivation to do it, and I don't know how long I'll have motivation to do it because I know it's going to get worse and worse. My husband here is helping me 100%. I feel like since we started doing this, we don't fight as much. We're actually getting along a little bit better. But I feel like with cleaning wise, we're feeling a little bit happier. We're really working on, cleaning up, eat something, put it away, do this. So we're working on that. It takes a little bit of time. I don't want to be rushed. He doesn't want to be rushed. But the one thing that I want to work on now, and I'm really getting ambition for, is working on my baby's room. So I'm going to take you guys on a little tour of her room. Right now, that room used to be the spare bedroom where we had somebody sleep. And then we got rid of the bed because we gave Ben that bed instead, so we could not get rid of it because we still have my mom spend the night and we don't have a spot for her to sleep. So we let her sleep in his room when she spends the night, or anybody who spends the night. So we got that room and we ended up just putting crap in it. And I'm the type of person where I'll do it later, well, it keeps building up and it keeps building up and it keeps building up. So I'm going to take you guys through her room and just show you what we're going to do, what we're going to work on. I'm also going to take you guys in my closet because since I've had Ben, I've gained 50 pounds. And with this pregnancy, I'm not trying to lose weight. I'm not really trying to do anything. But I know I'll probably never lose that 50 pounds again unless I really try. But I'm at the point where I'm a mom now. I don't need to wear the clothes that I used to have or used to wear when I was in my 20s. I'm in my mid-30s now. So I'm going to take you guys through my closet and show you guys stuff that I want to get rid of. And then I'm also going to take you guys in my bathroom. I know it's weird, but I have my own bathroom. Or my husband and I have a bathroom in our bedroom. And I have been wanting to go through that room like crazy. I have a closet in there. And it's driving me nuts because there's stuff in there that's been in there since we moved in. We put a box in there and that box is still there. And a lot of you guys are kind of liking this. It's something different than couponing. It gives you guys motivation. So that's what mostly I'm going to do. I'm just mostly showing you guys what I'm doing. I'm taking my sweet time. I'm not rushing to do it. My mom is coming over this weekend. She'll be here in a couple days. So I'm just doing this video a couple days ahead of time, but I'm not posting it until she's here, and I'll show you guys some updates. But she's coming down, so we're going to have a big thing. What we're going to mostly do with her is I want her to go through and help me organize. I'm not trying to get rid of stuff right now. My clothes, yes, but the spare bedroom, no, because a lot of it's Ben's toys, baby toys, my craft stuff, just crap. So we're just mostly just going to go through it, and I want to share with you guys on that. So let me take you guys on a tour. I'm not going to give you guys my whole house tour because I'm not ready for that. It'll take time. I think I'll give you guys a house tour when I go on maternity leave, because when I was on maternity leave with Benjamin, my house was spick and span, but we also have a kid now, so it's a different story. But I will take you guys eventually on a house tour, but right now I'm going to show you guys some rooms that I really want to prove. This is to help me, this is to help you get motivated, and this is just to, make everything more positive and better. So let's go on a tour. Okay, so here we are walking in her room. Like you guys can see, it's just a total disaster. There is a crib right here. It's set up. We just put a bunch of crap in it, and the rocking chair is right here. But a lot of this stuff is this stuff I want to get rid of. I have a bookshelf right here. We're actually going to get rid of this bookshelf. I had a friend who bought my matching dresser that I had with it, and we're going to see if he wants the bookshelf. So these books I actually want to get, I want to get rid of some of them. A lot of them are like the Twilight books, which I'm going to keep. The House and Night books, my Harry Potter ones, those ones I'm going to keep, but I have like the True Blood series. I'm not going to keep those, so I'm going to probably sell those. But I want to get rid of this bookshelf. I am going to get a different kind of bookshelf for her room when we start going furniture shopping. But first I want to paint the room. Now this stuff right here is just boxes. Some of these boxes has had stuff in them since we moved in this house. And we've lived in this house for going on 6 years. So I'm like, I don't know what I want to do with this stuff. I think since I haven't looked for it in 6 years, I might get rid of it. These totes right here are Benjamin's clothes. Now I have a ton of clothes for Ben that I wanted to keep until we found out we're having another child. So this weekend my mom and I are actually going to go through Benjamin's clothes, organize it by size, and start bagging it up so I can kind of get rid of it. I also have stuff that I want to resell or give as gifts. So there's that. But my goal is to get this closet picked up and organized so I can actually start putting her clothes in here. I want to start organizing and putting her clothes in here. The stuff on the top shelf, I have some villain dolls and princess dolls, Beauty and the Beast dolls. I actually want to put those on display, so I got to figure out a spot to put them. So that's something I want to do. I cannot part with them. Those are very good expensive dolls. So I do want to get rid of some of that stuff, but I do have some other stuff in there that I do want to get rid of. Here's the baby. A lot of this is pretty much all baby stuff. So I got a lot of baby stuff in here, but this is stuff that I could just throw away. I mean, I got clothes in here. I got stuff. I don't even know what the heck is in this pile. Just want to get rid of it. These are picture frames. I actually have a spot on my basement, or going down the stairs where I put picture frames. I want to fill this whole entire wall of picture frames. Like, I'm just obsessed. So I always have, every time I go to IKEA, IKEA is about an hour and a half to 2 hours from us. I always go to IKEA and grab frames. So I actually have a box full of picture frames that I actually want to hang up. I don't care if I don't have a picture for them right away. I just want to put frames up so I can get my photos, because once she's born I'm going to be doing photos like crazy. That's kind of why I'm hesitant on picture frames, because I'm waiting to put other photos up. This is like a little nightstand thing. We're probably just going to get rid of this. Husband had this when I moved in with him. So getting rid of that, put in a spot where our suitcases are. I have all these wreaths that I make, and there's like piles of wreaths, and what I want to do is bag them all up and hang them in the garage. So just bag everything up, put it in the garage, hanging on the walls. So that's another thing I want to start slowly doing. I got a couple Valentine's Day ones that I should actually put up on the wall. I got to find a spot to put my wrapping paper. That might go back underneath the stairs in the basement. But again, these boxes are filled with baby clothes. I mean, if you think about it, Ben is 4 years old, but he wears size 7 clothes. He's a big kid. So I have tons and tons of baby stuff. So I want to go through that and get rid of it. Not sure if I'm going to get rid of it before or after she's born. It all depends on what happens. But yeah, and then these totes. These are totes that are full of organized toys. But again, I want to go through the toys, throw a bunch of stuff away. I mean, we got just a bunch of random stuff, like just containers of garbage, and it's like, throw it away, throw it away, throw it away. So I want to get rid of that. Again, more toys, and I want to just get rid of it. Not get rid of everything, just, you know, organize it and go through it. I have some cases that I had some collectibles in. I've sold 2 of them. I still got 2 left. I want to get rid of, I want to sell those. So this is stuff that I'm slowly starting to sell. I got picture frames in here of stuff that I used to have on my walls when I lived in my condo with my husband. They haven't been on the walls since we moved. They've just been sitting, moving around. So I want to get rid of them. Want to get rid of them. This, I think, I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's more toys. Look at that. More toys. And then you can see there's baby stuff in here. But this little table I want to either put somewhere or get rid of. The lamp I might keep. Actually, this is a lamp that I had when I was a teenager. I bought the lamp. I got it like super cheap, and I spray painted the lampshade black because I had everything in my room black. Black's my favorite color. So I think I could actually reuse that and keep that for her room and spray paint it a different color. This lamp, while I was doing this video, I'm thinking I'm going to keep this in her room. We're going to put this right behind the, what is it, the rocking chair. So it's not that bad. It's just toys and clothes. That's all it is. Just toys and clothes and stuff to get rid of. So this is a goal that I want to go through. Probably in the next 2 or 3 weeks. I hope to have a lot of this just organized and cleared out. And then we're going to paint it. And I'll show you guys the process as we're cleaning her room. I just bought something to put in her room for decoration. So we're waiting for that to come in the mail. And then I just want to go to IKEA. I just really want to go to IKEA. This box is stuff that I'm already saving for her. So we got that going on. But otherwise, this is that room. Here's a closet that's right next to the kids' bathroom. This is just our linen closet. Okay? It's a mess. I have all my purses down here. I only use half of these purses. It's like I need to get rid of them. So I'm working on that. But I mean, I just got all this crap. And I started watching that Marie Kondo show on Netflix. And I actually have like ambition. So I want to get rid of the sheets and blankets that we don't use, that don't fit our bed. Get rid of them. And just clean this thing out so we can put some other stuff in here. We used to have a whole shelf just of toilet paper. So that's something else I want to work on. Super easy. Okay, so here is one of my closets in my bedroom. What I love about my bedroom is I have a hallway in my bedroom, but this is a walk-in closet that we have. It's actually not that bad. Husband and I actually cleaned it out not that long ago. But the stuff that's inside these drawers is stuff we haven't used in years. Why keep it? Why keep it? But this side, you guys can obviously tell, is my side of the closet, and that other side is the husband's. But my side, I probably wear about 50% of these clothes. There are so many clothes that I have that I just want to get rid of. I haven't worn in years. Why do I keep it? I don't know, because I think I'm going to wear it again, or I think I'm going to lose the weight and wear it again. So I want to go through all this. And I also keep stuff up here for like gifts and stuff too. So Ben, like this is something I bought for Christmas for Ben a couple years ago. It's a Legos, but I'm not giving it to him until he's ready. But, sorry I'm out of breath. But yeah, more picture frames. But I do want to get rid of stuff. And I actually, you know what, I could put my dolls in here and I put them on decoration. That'd be kind of cool. That'd be kind of cool. So yeah, I want to kind of get rid of my clothes. Husband has just as much clothes, not as much, but just as much clothes as I do, but he only wears maybe about 25% of this stuff. 25%. So, I mean, he got this shirt one time and I've never seen him wear it. Never seen him wear it. He doesn't like green. So there's that. But then across from our walk-in closet, we have another closet. Now this is just mostly my stuff and his stuff. From this half is all mine. That's all his dress shirts. I don't know. I need to get rid of half of this stuff, but it's hard for me to get rid of. I really do want to get rid of it, but it just takes baby steps. But, I mean, this blanket, I've had this blanket for years and I never use it, so why keep it? But, yeah, I definitely want to share with you guys stuff that I want to get rid of, stuff I want to work on. This is something I bought for Ben when he was born and he took it apart. But it's like information about him. So there is that. Now we're going to go in my bathroom. It's going to echo in here a little bit. But this is my closet. Yeah, it's unorganized. Just a mess. So what I actually want to do is throw away about half the stuff in here. Husband likes collecting little things here and there, which is fine. But he never uses it. Some of this lotion's been here for years. I mean, this lotion right here is a Bath & Body Works lotion. It's Midnight Pomegranate Cream. I don't even know how old it is, but that's when their lotions were $10.50. They haven't been $10.50 for a while. I mean, it's disgusting. I should just throw it away. Don't need it. Don't need it. I mean, I got tanning lotion. I haven't tanned in over 10 years. Throw it away. This is a nice sealed bottle of mouthwash. Obviously, it's starting to disintegrate because it's been around for years. So this is something I want to work on. Get rid of it. These boxes has been here since we moved in. Just want to get rid of it. I'm just about to take a garbage can and be like, boom, see you later. So this is stuff that I'm going to be, I got the hiccups and everything, but this is stuff that I'm going to be working on over the next couple of weeks to a couple of months. But I just want to share with you guys everything that I want to get rid of, everything I want to work on. So hopes you guys can get some, hopefully you guys can get some motivation to clean too. I know I'm ready to clean. It's going to be really hard for me to get rid of some of this stuff. The stuff that I have on the hangers are going to be harder for me, but the stuff that's on like folded up, that's not going to be that hard because that's the stuff I just throw to get out of my way. But yes, I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm going to start calling this video like house cleanup, whatever, instead of the basement cleanup, so we'll see how that goes. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys all next week to see the progress that I am working on. You guys have a lovely day. See you guys later. Bye-bye.